What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Back again with another pair of Air Jordans. As you can tell, if you can't tell, then I don't know, you're probably just listening to the audio. But yeah, so we've got Air Jordan on the box as usual. Well, it doesn't always say Air Jordan, but you get what I'm saying. The pair that we've got today is the Air Jordan 8 Retro. The colour is white, black, true red, UK 10. If you want to read the rest of it, just pause it here and you'll be able to read the rest of the information. We've got another lift-off lid. That's what I like to call it. That's probably its name. But yeah, we'll get straight into the Air Jordan 8 Bugs Bunny. So if you don't know about the backstory of the Air Jordan 8 Bugs Bunny, I'm not going to give you the history lesson. You have to go do your own research. You have to go do a few Googles, whatever. But this pair is back. So I've waited quite a few years to get this pair. I believe they came out in 2014, 15, 2013, something like that. I can't remember off the top of my head. I've recorded a lot of videos today. But yeah, so this pair previously when it came out, I really wanted them. Never got my hands on them until now. And I'm so happy to get them on sale below retail. I did get the probably the best colorway of a Jordan 8, which is the Aqua. These and the Aqua are top. So these and the Aqua. I got the Aqua when they dropped in 2015, 2016. I think it's 2015, but yeah. When they dropped, I got those and I loved them. I wore them so much. I found that they just went with a lot of things, so I just wore them all the time. One of my favorite pairs of Jordans. Didn't get the re-release or anything like that. But yeah, now I've got these. Let's just go through the colors. The sole, we've got a standard Air Jordan 8 sole. Standard Air Jordan 8 sole is pretty out there, I'd say. It's got a lot of colors, got a lot of design on it. So you've got the traction pattern, and then you've got the Jumpman. Then through it, you've got like a grey line, bit of red on the sides. You've got a black bit next to the traction pattern there, and then you've got this multicolored. Depending on the colorway, this will be obviously different to match the colorway, and obviously everything else as well. I really do like that big Jumpman on the front of the sneaker. Then following that kind of crazy vibe with the midsole, the sole following the midsole. So we've got white, grey, which is kind of like a speckled glitter. I'm not sure the camera's going to pick that up too well, but it does look quite good. Then we've got just a bit of red, then that same white, and then grey, and then we've got that same going there to the front, white and grey. And then when you go on the other side, a lot of red, grey, white. So yeah, a pretty crazy sole, midsole already. I mean, the colors are not too crazy, but it's, you know, it's a lot. It's not plain, it's not simple. And then we've got the colors, or like the design, which the Air Jordan 8 is known for. So we've got the grey, white, red, black. Then on the upper, again, a lot of material. The back, we've got that suede, lovely suede material. And then we've got a bit of nubuck that has Air Jordan. So usually people do, or some people, they like to wear the straps. I don't strap them up, no chance. I don't do that. And then we've got some white leather, which has got holes, done quite nicely. Very, what's the word? I don't know the word, but yeah, it's very neat. Then we've got the front following that same leather, but it's just not got the holes in it around to the straps. And even the front, the toe box has got that same white leather. If you go underneath the straps, we've got that suede following all the way around, all the way to the bottom. Nice suede, And we've got standard white laces, neoprene tongue. The whole tongue's neoprene, and it's got like this kind of like sock liner type feel, vibe in there. And again, it's neoprene. And then if you know the Air Jordan 8, you know about that fluffy tongue, which has got blue Jumpman with like a white outline, or supposed to make it look kind of like 3D. And then we've got grey, 2 different shades of grey, and some red. And then again on the inside, it just follows the outside pattern, everything with the suede, perforation, nubuck, everything. It's more or less the same on this side. But yeah, I'm really happy to get this pair, especially that I got it on sale. Again, when they came out, I just thought, UK doesn't really respect the 8 that much, so I'm gonna wait a bit. I'm gonna hopefully get them on sale, and I did a decent saving off of the retail price, which I think is quite high these days. But yeah, wait a few moments, you'll see the on foot video. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure you check out all the other content, all the other videos. I've got plenty of content for you to watch. You can even binge watch it if you want. And yeah, I'm not going to waffle any longer. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care, my people.